In this video I'm going to show you how to get Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. First, go to the Nintendo eShop, select the user you want, then we need to sign in. Yes, and when you're in the Nintendo eShop, what we need to do is we need to scroll down to search, and then here we need to enter Fortnite. Yes, select done, search. Awesome, and now what you see is you see multiple versions of Fortnite. We need to select this one, so the Fortnite version of the Nintendo Switch 2. Click on free download. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, free download. Awesome, and if we now go to the home page, so we just press back, successfully loaded. You see Fortnite is now downloading. So guys, that is how you can get Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2.